A great cup of espresso can completely transform your morning routine, and with the right machine, you can enjoy cafe-quality coffee without ever leaving home. Today's espresso machines are more powerful and easier to use than ever, offering precise temperature control, high-pressure extraction, and milk frothing systems that help you craft everything from bold espresso shots to creamy lattes and cappuccinos. In this video, I'll show you the 5 best espresso machines that truly stand out for performance, build quality, and value. Whether you want a simple machine for quick morning coffee or a more advanced setup for crafting cafe-style drinks at home, these picks deliver rich flavor and reliable results. Now, before we dive in, make sure to use our links. They will take you to the latest discount for every product we talk about. Let's get going. Number 5. Philips Barista Brew Semi-Automatic Espresso Machine. If you're a coffee lover looking to bring the cafe experience home, the Philips Barista Brew Espresso Machine is definitely worth a closer look. This bean-to-cup model is ready to brew as soon as you switch it on, and it even has a dedicated button for Americanos, making your morning routine effortless. It's so intuitive, you could probably operate it with one sleepy eye still shut. For those who love hands-on coffee making, this machine offers a manual steam wand that lets you perfect your lattes. It may take some practice if you're a beginner, but with time, you can create smooth, shiny microfoam just like a professional barista. The 58mm stainless steel portafilter, premium calibrated tamper, and 250G bean container give you full control over every shot, while PID temperature control ensures precise and consistent brewing. The Philips Barista Brew also offers versatility, from single and double espresso to creamy lattes and rich Americanos. The 450ml stainless steel milk jug and powerful steam wand make frothing simple, while the countertop-safe design ensures no mess. Beyond performance, it's also a stylish addition to any kitchen. With its modern anti-fingerprint metal housing and compact footprint, it combines elegance with practicality. Overall, the Philips Barista Brew Espresso Machine is ideal for coffee enthusiasts who want a premium, hands-on brewing experience without breaking the bank. Whether you're experimenting with espresso, crafting lattes, or enjoying your favorite Americano, it delivers rich, satisfying coffee with every cup, making it an essential for any home barista. Number 4. Dedica Maestro Plus. If you're looking to make cafe-quality espresso at home, the DeLonghi espresso machine is a standout option that nearly earned a perfect score in our testing. While it isn't at the very top of our list, mainly because many shoppers now prefer bean-to-cup machines, it still delivers an incredible full barista experience. In our tests, this machine consistently produced excellent espressos with rich flavor and balanced crema. Its automatic milk system takes things to the next level, offering 3 temperature profiles that make milk texturing effortless. The result is perfectly foamy, creamy milk that transforms your lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos into a professional quality treat every time. The controls are conveniently located on the top of the machine, which might feel slightly tricky to reach depending on your height and countertop setup. But aside from that, there's very little to critique. With a large water tank and a full range of accessories, including a milk jug, tamper, dosage spoon, and cleaning tools, this espresso machine is built to make your coffee routine both enjoyable and convenient. Whether you're an espresso enthusiast or just starting your home barista journey, the DeLonghi delivers consistent results that impress. It's a versatile, high-performing machine that makes brewing professional quality coffee at home a pleasure. For more options like this one, be sure to check out our full roundup of the best espresso machines, where we cover everything from compact models to full-featured bean-to-cup systems. Number 3. Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine. If you're looking for a coffee machine that practically does everything for you, the Breville Bean-to-Cup coffee machine is a strong contender. This machine grinds, tamps, and brews your coffee automatically, giving you consistent, cafe-quality drinks every time without the usual hassle. One of the biggest highlights is speed. It preheats in just 30 seconds, and the steam wand is ready as soon as your espresso is poured, meaning no long waits for your morning caffeine fix. The machine also comes with a wide range of settings, allowing for full customization of your drinks. Adjusting the pour volume took a little getting used to, and we had to check the manual a few times to get it just right. Steaming milk to the perfect temperature took slightly longer than expected, but it consistently delivered the ideal texture. The result? Rich, velvety microfoam that makes lattes and cappuccinos taste like they came straight from a coffee shop. As the name suggests, this Breville machine is built to impress. It's perfect for anyone who wants convenience without compromising on quality, whether you're brewing a quick morning espresso or making a full latte at home. For those who want more options, check out our other top-performing bean-to-cup machines, or head over to our complete guide to the best bean-to-cup coffee makers for detailed reviews and comparisons. If you love coffee and want a machine that simplifies the process while still delivering professional results, the Breville Bean-to-Cup is definitely worth considering. Number 2. Philips 5400 Series Bean-to-Cup Espresso Machine. If you're a coffee lover looking for convenience without compromising quality, the Philips 5400 Latte Go is definitely worth a look. With 4 user profiles, you can save your preferred aroma, volume, and milk settings, making it perfect for households where everyone has a different coffee taste. Setting it up is a breeze thanks to the clear LCD display. Within minutes, we were brewing fresh, flavorful espressos with a beautiful crema on top. The automatic milk steaming system worked flawlessly, frothing both regular and plant-based milks to the perfect temperature and creating silky microfoam. The Latte Go system takes it a step further, mixing milk and air at high speed to give a splash-free, creamy froth every time. The only minor issue we noticed was that the spout isn't adjustable, so a little milk can spill when dispensing. This machine offers 12 fresh bean coffee varieties, including espresso, coffee, cappuccino, and latte macchiato, all easily made at the touch of a button. You can further customize your coffee with the intuitive display, adjusting intensity, milk length, and even adding an extra shot for more flavor without bitterness. The aroma extract system keeps water between 90 to 98 degrees Celsius, ensuring every cup hits the perfect balance of temperature, aroma, and crema. Plus, the durable ceramic grinder has 12-step settings, letting you grind beans from ultra-fine to coarse for your preferred taste. Overall, the Philips 5400 Latte Go combines convenience, versatility, and cafe-quality results at a reasonable price. If you want delicious coffee at home without complicated machines or messy frothing, this one makes brewing your favorite cup effortless, personalized, and consistent every time. Number 1. DeLonghi Rivelia Automatic Espresso Machine. If you're a coffee lover looking for convenience and customization, this coffee machine could be a game changer. What sets it apart is its smart personalization. It remembers the drinks you choose at different times of day and then creates a menu tailored to your preferences. Perfect for households with varying tastes, it also comes with 16 automatic drink settings, so you can switch things up depending on your mood. The machine features interchangeable bean hoppers, allowing you to keep 2 different coffee beans ready to go without constantly emptying or refilling. In our testing, it consistently produced rich espressos with a nice layer of crema on top, delivering cafe-quality results at home. The automatic frother makes milky drinks effortless, taking the stress out of making lattes or cappuccinos. That said, latte fans might notice that the froth texture isn't quite perfect. It's good, but not barista level. Grind settings are limited to 7, which is fewer than some other machines, but most coffee enthusiasts will still find a setting that works for their preferred brew strength and flavor. The build quality feels solid, and the combination of smart features and easy operation makes this machine a versatile choice for everyday use. Overall, if you want a machine that adapts to your taste, handles multiple drink types, and produces reliable espresso with minimal effort, this coffee maker is a strong contender. While not perfect for latte purists, it's ideal for anyone who wants cafe-quality coffee quickly and consistently without the hassle. That concludes today's session, everyone. We trust this information was helpful. If so, please like our video and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Wishing you a great day, stay safe, and keep progressing.